So, what do you have for lunch today?
Seriously, Terry. You just ate a big hamburger for breakfast. Now it's only 9 a.m. and you're already thinking about lunch.
You know I love food. So what will you eat for lunch?
Maybe a sandwich or something. I'm not too picky.
You have the flu. I think you should have hot soup for lunch. I'm craving sushi.
Sushi sounds good, but I could go for a big salad too.
Trying to eat healthier this week, huh?
Yeah, salads are always a safe bet. Morning, everyone. Morning, sir. Sorry to interrupt. Just a quick announcement.
Sure, sir. We're listening.
Starting today, there's a new rule. Between 10 and 10:30, no one can use the emergency exit. Why, sir? Is everything okay? Don't worry. It's just a new rule. So remember, between 10 and 10:30, no one can use the emergency exit. Except for emergencies like fire or power outage, of course. All right, back to work, everyone. Have a good morning.
Did you catch that? What's up with the boss and his weird rule? I know, right? Not using the emergency exit between 10 and 10:30. Seems odd. Yeah, like, why specifically during that time? And why announce it out of nowhere? Hey, Mark, how do you feel about the boss's strange announcement?
We were just wondering what you make of it. Any thoughts? Honestly, I have no clue. Seems odd, but maybe there's a reason behind it. Who knows?
He's trying to keep us in the dark about something. Well, whatever it is, it's definitely strange. I guess we'll have to wait and see if anything comes of it. Agreed. But I'm keeping an eye out for any more oddities from now on.
Get back to work.
Harry, boss didn't seem all that different after the announcement. Yeah, maybe we're just overthinking things.
Probably. Let's just focus on our work for now.
Agreed. It's probably nothing. Do you see what I see?
I see what you see. That black bag.
Boss just went toward the emergency exit with a black bag.
Yeah, that's strange. I thought he said no one's allowed to use the emergency exit during this time.
And he changed his clothes. He's wearing a white shirt now, but this morning he wore a black shirt. So weird.
Hey, Mark, how's the preparation for the launch of our new product at the end of the month going? Oh, it's going well, sir. We're finalizing the marketing strategy and ensuring everything is on track. Excellent to hear. Keep up the good work. Will do. Thank you, sir.
Boss changed into a black shirt.
Yeah, should we say something or investigate?
I'm not sure. I just remembered that I need to work to a deadline tomorrow.
True. I also have to submit a report to the boss tomorrow.
I can't stop thinking about it, Gwen. What do you think the boss is up to with all this secretive behavior?
Honestly, I have no idea, but it's driving me crazy. Why the black bag? Why did he change his shirt?
Do you think he's secretly practicing some weird ritual or something?
Or maybe he's involved in some kind of mystery operation. You know, like a spy or something.
What's in that bag? It's like a mystery waiting to be unraveled. I know, let's make a guess. Maybe it's filled with classified documents, or diamonds, or chocolate bars. What if he's hiding a beautiful mistress somewhere? Oh, please. Maybe that's why he's always changing his shirt, trying to impress her or something. Or maybe he just spills coffee on himself. But seriously, I'm so curious. Should we take a peek and see what he's really up to? Are you serious? That's risky business. Come on, Terry. We'll never know unless we try. Plus, think of the thrill of uncovering a secret. Okay, fine. But if we get caught, I'm blaming you. Such a good friend. Let's go. Let's go. Boss just went to the emergency exit. I see. Let's try to catch him in the act. Agreed, but let's be discreet, though. I'll pretend to panic and you play your phone's emergency alarm. Got it. Get your phone ready. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Is there a fire?
What are you two doing here?
We heard the alarm and got worried. What were you doing in here?
Why did you worry when that alarm is a false alarm?
Is that a cat? Cat?
Let's talk inside. So, were you two spying on me?
No, sir. We were just curious, that's all. That false alarm was our mistake. Yeah, we didn't mean any harm. We were just trying to figure out what was going on. Yes, we apologize for any inconvenience. It was unprofessional of us.
No need to apologize. It's partly my fault for implementing such a weird rule.
Can we ask why the cat is here?
Yeah, let me explain. Every day at 10 a.m., a stray cat comes to the emergency exit looking for food. I really love cats, so I spend time with it, feeding and playing for 30 minutes.
That's unexpected. But what about the black bag and your changing shirts?
The bag contains food for the cat, and I change shirts to avoid bringing cat hair home. My wife is allergic, so I can't have a cat at home or bring it in.
That's why. But why did you create that new rule when you can still feed and play with your cat whenever you want?
Because I prefer to keep that private to maintain my strict image at work.
Ah, I see. That makes sense.
But, sir, there's nothing to be ashamed of for loving animals. In fact, it's admirable.
Yeah, I like animal lovers.
You're right.
I suggest you consider keeping the cat in the office, sir.
Yeah, it creates a positive environment in our office. You think so?
Absolutely. Imagine if we all took turns caring for the cat.
It could be a symbol of good luck for the company.
It would bring us all closer together as a team.
You know what? That actually sounds like a great idea.
Sorry again, anyway, sir.
Well, next time, maybe just ask me directly if you're curious about something.
Yes, sir. We'll keep that in mind.
By the way, I need to know your progress on the project. As I remember, today's the deadline.
Yeah, sure. We're almost done. Yeah, we'll have it ready before the end of the day. Promise.
Great to hear.
That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.